Hi everybody, welcome back. So I've been working on this and I had a couple of things arrive. One of them you don't need to worry about because the puppies were excited to have it. But I got a package from Amazon. I don't want to set it directly on my drawing. So let me get this open if it's at all physically possible. They say it's perforated. Apparently they've never tried to tear one of them open. There we go. Alright, so this is what my oldest daughter bought for me. So I'm going to show you the back of this. I've never tried the Yupo or the Lenox or the Stonehenge. Okay? And you can see Stonehenge comes in quite a variety of types of papers. That's not the colors they come in, it's the types. But this is for a couple of special projects I want to do. Now, the other one I'd like to get in this is the Fabriano Black. It's got another word in the name. Anyway, so this paper is supposed to be, yep, it is 100% cotton. All the papers I work on are acid free. See if I can move this up. It's 140 pounds, 9 by 12 inch. That's a good size for a basic animal portrait. This is designed for watercolor, but it works for watercolor, gouache, acrylics, pencils, pretty much anything you want. But what's special about this pad, yes, I'm excited. Sorry, guys. I've wanted this for several months. The only sad thing to me is it's cold press. I love hot press paper. It's a thing for me. I love how smooth it is. Cold press has more texture, but it said that this is smoother than their normal cold press. So, it's still got some texture though. But it's black, you guys. It is black. Very, very, very black. Not a gray black, but a black. Okay, and the texture's slightly different on each side. Awesome. That's what you generally find with cotton paper, is that one side is a little different than the other. And this lets me do some white on black pieces. I think they're going to be really, really neat and super dramatic. So, Tia, thank you so much. I'm very excited to get to work with this. I have to decide which piece I want to do first. So I'm sure the first one will just be a practice and experiment of which white materials work best on it. Is that going to be oil-based, water-based, or wax-based, or chalk-based, pastel, any number of things. I have special paper for pastels though. But I'm super excited. So I have the Stonehenge Aqua Cold Press Black now. Yay! Another piece in my art arsenal. But you guys had asked for an art supply unboxing. And so this is the art supply that I got to order this month. And this is the unboxing. So we'll see how I like it. Like I said, I'm a big fan of the Fabriano Artistico, but we will see how the Stonehenge works for me. It's a lot of people love it, so I'm definitely happy to give it a shot. And over this morning, I laid out this sketch and have started to fill in one of the little kits to turn them into cute little foxes. This is my paper that I love working on, but I hate that it's damaged. It came with a big line throughout the entire ream. And so this is just my scrap paper. This is my drafting paper and, you know, what I do my experiments on, and even what I give my grandbaby to play with when he wants to color, and he's over here. So yeah, he gets expensive paper to play on. But my thoughts and prayers are with all of you, as always, and I hope that you have an awesome, amazing weekend. Since I've been up since 4:30, am now going to go take a puppy nap with the puppies. That's why it's puppy nap, because it's with the puppies. And then I'm going to get up and work some more on this little girl right here and go from there. So, you guys have a great time, and I will see you next time. Bye.